Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn any photo into a minimalist illustration using a free app called Dreamface. It's super easy, beginner friendly, and yes, completely free. First, if you don't have Dreamface yet, just open the Play Store and then download it. Once installed, just open the app and then log in using your Google account. And don't worry, Dreamface has a free plan that gives you a weekly credits and lets you generate a limited number of images or videos per day. And that's more than enough for personal use. Now, after logging in, you will land on the home page like this, and then just tap on AI filter, and then just scroll down until you find the sections called stylistic paintings, this one, and then inside this category, look for the filter called Minimalist Illustrations. This one, just tap on it. And once you have selected the filter, just select your photo from your gallery. Just choose any picture that you like. It could be a portrait, a travel photo, or even a pet picture. It's just up to you. Just select that you want. And after that, just click on animate. And okay, like this, your photo is already transformed into a clean and cute minimalist illustrations like this. And okay, maybe that's it. Super easy, right? With just a few taps, you can turn any photo into a unique minimalist artwork like this. It's perfect for wall arts, or you can use it as a profile picture or even social media posts. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!